XG. Now, if you guys didn't see the XG showcase in Japan, XG announced the world tour, y'all. XG announced the world tour. My money, you already know where my money's gonna go. We got a performance video with XG just released, and they released a teaser. We're all gonna check it out in one go. Enough talking, bro. Let's just watch this for real. We already know XG's lit. And they stay lit. They still gonna be lit, and they always gonna be. Ooh, on them Tims. What? Oh, interpretive dance. They have been born. Are they out? Blindfolded? Orbital phase initiated. Whoa. Oh, they're a living organism.
Accessing the mainframe.
7. Life forms detected.
What in the...
Accessing.
They always really doing something different.
Hibernation deactivated.
Ooh. Okay. Okay, XG. Oh. I feel like I'm in a museum. What is this? A museum piece?
Landing sequence initiated.
You know what I'm talking about? Oh. Ooh. They about to slay. They about to slay. Oh, I'm gonna get lit to this.
XG, born with action beta testing.
New
chapter go hard if less than Alpha 2, mega level, set it.
Coconut, get it. Oh my god. XG really that girl group for me, bro. Going ballistic. I want this song to be longer though. Bruh. They just different. Oh my goodness. They go hard. Hey, Harvey, get it. Let's go, Maya. Ooh, Miss Chisa. Where's Julia? I see her. And Hinata, I see you. Ooh. My god, girly. You are just beautiful. Vocals on vocals on vocals. Vocals on vocals on vocals. I'm sorry. I'm being so annoying. Stop it. You know when was the last time I saw something like that? It was like Changmin. I think it was TVXQ. What's that? But god damn, off the beginning though. Felt like I was watching like a
7. Life forms detected.
the birth of the world or something.
Accessing.
Y'all know what I mean?
Hibernation.
Y'all like this video if you like XG, for real. Like XG if you really want to go to the world tour. I would like to go party with y'all. XG too, I'm talking about y'all. Everyone that's fans of XG, I wanna get lit with y'all.
Sequence initiated.
Ooh! Oh, imagine just starting like this. You know the world tour is gonna look. The production is gonna be. Mwah. Woo! Get it.
XG, born with action beta testing.
Woo!
New chapter go hard if less than
Get it.
Alpha 2, mega level, set it off. Gimmicks, we got beyond and keeping it hot. Whether you ready or native, planet invaded. All day, never do, we flame it. Gladiator, mud and not entertainment.
Hey! Get it. Bruh. They just different to me. At least you can tell I like this group a lot. That's crazy, bruh. Ooh. They also released a teaser called Winter Without You MV teaser. I heard this was like kind of like, I don't know actually what to expect. Winter Without You. Oh, they on they space tips still. Oh, they look adorable and warm. Oh, it's like message from their loved ones, right? Oh, we getting sad? Oh no, we getting sad today. Oh girl, I'm about to tear up already. Oh girl, my eyes are about watering like we watering plants right now. Anyways, XG. come on, what can I say? What can you say about XG? XG's slit, bro. Yeah. I mean, they announced a lot of things. I don't know if you guys saw the showcase last night. They always stay killing. They always improve. Big up to the whole staff, the whole like production, like everyone that works on like stuff with XG, whether it be a songwriter from like someone just sends emails. Big up to you. This is your boy JRE. This is XG. And see you guys in the next video, all right? Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.